Hi everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost. Are you thinking about Christmas yet? Do you have any birthdays or showers or something like that coming up? Hi Holly, good morning sunshine. He's been heavily bribed to stay quiet. We'll see how that goes. Yeah. And I put together some stationery gift sets. And these were a lot of fun to make. I made them all personally by myself. And I just wanted to, they're going to be up in my Etsy shop. I have 8 sets of these, and in each set you get 3 stationery kits. I guess that's the best way to explain the differences. Okay, they're all different random papers, and let me just show you one. I opened one so I can show you what's inside. I apologize, I don't have my tripod functioning correctly this morning. Okay, so inside each stationery kit, of which you get 3 kits per purchase. You get a large notebook, a small notebook, an envelope stuffed with ephemera, and I'll give you a better tour of these. And you get some handmade stationery paper along with envelopes and some cute decorative, unique little paper clips, 2 paper clips. Okay, so you get a little notebook which has somewhere between, I believe 10 or 20 pages in here, and they're coffee dyed papers. And some are lined, some are not, but they're beautiful for writing notes, things like that, quotes, little poems, or your daily lists, grocery lists, things like that, and you can even decorate these as well. And then you get a larger notebook. This notebook is approximately 9 by 6. This one is about 6 by 3, and this is full of different, it's a plain, naked notebook. Small journal, notebook, whichever you like to call it, but it's filled with different colored hand-dyed papers, and the papers range from coffee dyed to avocado dyed, which is a pink color, to blue color, which is from purple cabbage, and a greenish color with a little bit of sparkle in it, which was done with specialty inks. And so it's very, very unique paper throughout the middle, and it's beautiful to write on. And you can create pockets and things like that in here if you want to decorate it. And the things that I put in the envelopes, you're going to get a nice variety of different types of old ephemera, ranging from old cards that are, from the turn of the century. You're going to get a black and white photograph, some vocabulary cards, stamps, little jukebox labels, all sorts of fun stuff in there that you can use to make pockets or tucks or decorate your pages if you so wish to do so, or you can just use them for writing notebooks as well. And along with this, you're going to also get a little stationery set. You're going to get 3 hand-dyed papers along with 3 envelopes with some specialty paper clips added just for fun for your gathering purposes. So that is what is included in a kit, and the kits are bound with a chiffon sari silk ribbon, which is a vanilla color. And just grab that, put that over here. And you get 3 stationery kits per set, and they are at random. And I'm going to list them all in one listing in my Etsy shop, and it's going to be listed under gift sets. And once the gift sets are gone, that category will close. So I hope you enjoy these. Actually, a subby came along and asked me if I was going to do some Christmas digital kits, and I thought to myself, Christmas, it's only July. What are we talking about? But then I thought, oh, wait a minute. Crafters like to make things early so that they have things ready for Christmas, and that's why we need to do things in July. So I thought I would create some of these now and put them in the shop. And these are soft covers. Everything is a soft cover, just so you know. Just made with Victorian-style, antique-style, vintage-style papers. And so I hope you enjoy these, and they're great for different types of gift giving. So there you go, folks. You have a fabulous day. Make sure you get lots of fun in there. Remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.